Hello friends, good morning. So I'm back with a very beautiful weather. So last 18-kilometer long run which I had on Sunday, if you remember in my last vlog, that it was very horrible, and then I thought let me give myself a day of rest, and I got my massage done, and I did easy power cleans. So I was doing power cleans for the first time, and I thought that it's since I was not lifting a lot of weight, there was just a 10 kg barbell, so I thought it was going to be simple or easy on my body. And then I tried my 10k tempo post that on with the raised pace, and to my disappointment, I really again failed miserably on my run, and I was not able to match up the pace of 6, even when I've tried 5:40 run previously, but on that day I was not able to even match up with 6 pace. So that was very heart wrenching and very very disappointing, and I really felt bad. And then I spoke to my coach, and my coach said that the life of a fitness enthusiast doesn't operate in that way, that you do one day you do heavy, and the second day again you do heavy, and you try to expedite anything. It's a slow process. Your body needs to adapt to every workout you do. It needs to understand the workout, execute the workout, and then also you have to give it time to process everything and then get ready for the next day. You can't operate like a machine. You can't treat your body like a machine, and and expect it to function every day optimally. So you have to treat your body as body, not as a machine. And here I am doing an easy walk, which I generally I don't find time for easy walks. I generally am very much surrounded with my workout plans. So I thought that okay, let's take one step at a time. So yesterday I took complete rest, which I wanted to do some mobility, but I could not find time. But yesterday morning I thought that I'll do some easy walk, maybe 3-4 kilometers, so that my body could relax, and then we'll see how my body feels. I know that I don't want to be brutal with my body. I want to be very considerate to my body, and for that reason I thought let me go out for a walk. And God gave me such a beautiful weather today, with full of fog, very cold, and I'm wearing 3 layers for this walk. So feeling good, and every day I feel that this sport is teaching me that you got to be humble. You can't think that that if you are thinking that in your mind that you are someone, the sport will teach you that you are no one. You have to put work on the ground. You have to work hard, and you have to go with the pace which your body, your mind allows. You can't just think that one fine day you will wake up and you will start running with 4:30 pace. People run 4:30 pace or 4 pace after lot many years of consistent work, day in, day out. They change so many things. They change their eating habits, they change their sleeping habits, okay, and they prioritize running. They work out each day. They take rest also as part of training. That rest is also taken very seriously, that I don't want to overdo things. So this journey is not is not just a very straightforward thing. You have to understand, accept your body. You have to feel your body, and then have a good plan, and then move forward. So I'm also enjoying this phase. I know that it's not this is not exactly what I would want to myself to be at, but I'm still happy that at least God is giving me opportunity to learn things. I have to be grateful about that. Now I'll show you the weather. Just give me a moment. The weather, it's barely anything visible. It's very beautiful. It's lovely. It's a easy walk. I'm planning that if my body allows, if my body allows me to go for intervals today, I'll try that. Otherwise, I'll do some stretching or mobility for myself to recover, have good blood circulation, and then perhaps next day, that is tomorrow, I'll try to do my intervals. My coach was very unhappy with me, and so am I. But we'll go easy. We'll learn from this episode, and we'll try to work on it and take the learnings forward in our learning journey. So stay tuned. I'll keep updating how my things going on. So I'm not sure, how many runners or how many people speak about their not so good situation. But I want to be honest here, and I want to share my journey, whether it's good or bad. Let's accept it what it is, and then see where we reach, because nobody reaches on the top with just glory and good days. Everyone faces bad days. It's up to them whether they want to share that or not.